Welcome back to our channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Shaurya, and if you're wondering where Akriti is, she's actually getting pissed at me because I'm late. So we're traveling to Mumbai for some work and to chill. So let me just go because Akriti is gonna kill me. Sup man? I'm gonna kill you. I'm really sorry. Why are you taking so long? I was just getting dressed and I was actually matching my clothes to suit your mini tank. I didn't wear anything. I wore black and white goes with everything. I wore red. I can't wear pink anymore. Happens, man. So, why don't you show us your mini tank? Mini tank. I'll show you something fun. Yes. Look at my hands, I'm not touching anything. Listen, do it with love. It'll happen. See? Love is what matters. So we're all set to go to Mumbai. This is the ass of my car. Yeah. Okay, let's give them a car tour. Yeah. Okay, how about you show me the coolest part about this car? I am in love with the sunroof. Look at this. So this looks really nice. It's just that it doesn't open. But anyways, I'm not like one of those girls who wants to go out and be like, oh hey, what's up? So I like this. It's nice and big. You're not one of those girls who would want to do what? Can you do that again, please? Oh hey, what's up? So we're getting really late. Yeah, please driver, can you drive? How about you come in front? Chalo driver. Oh my god. Hi madam. Yeah. Driver, अच्छे से चलाना please. What's up, man? Wanna listen to some music? You don't play my kind of music. Oh, you wanna see people around? Let's see what the guy behind is doing. Listen, this is really scary. It's trippy. It's very scary. Pune is becoming the next Bombay. Yeah, look at this. So crowded. Chalo, we're gonna see you once we hit the highway now. Bye! I hold my liquor where your hand used to be. No more hang. छोड़ के चली गई मेरे को. So I'll have to probably walk to Mumbai because she's not giving me a lift. Why do you leave me, man? So we're not supposed to stop at the expressway, but we stop because we're savages. So go to jail now. So what are we doing here? Chilling in the middle of nowhere? Yeah, we're like in the middle of nowhere. And we're chilling because of Delhi. We know no matter what time we try to reach Mumbai, it's gonna take so long and we're gonna get stuck in traffic. So we're anyways doing time pass. Chalo, I think we should leave now. Yeah. Now Shaurya is gonna show you something very trippy. I'm gonna show you Lucifer's secret. We're going to switch on the car. That's his dip.
That's where he gets all his power from.
It doesn't sound right. Let's hit the road again. Hey guys! So we are in Mumbai and we reached here pretty late last night. So what are we here for?
So we're here to attend Kaya's hair services launch and we're on our way to Novotel Juhu and what else?
And we're super excited. We want to see what all services have they launched and I can't wait to check out the services and get something done to my hair.
Same. And then what's the plan for the day after that?
After that we're gonna go shopping.
Yeah,
we're gonna go shopping. But it'll make you eat praline also.
Yeah, but it's so hot in Bombay. Like
very humid.
It's bad.
Chalo, anyways, we'll see you guys there. Novotel Juhu and
the view is amazing.
Let's show them the view. Guys, this is something called nitrogen popcorn. Wow, that looks amazing. Yeah.
How would you have it?
It's very cold, no? Is
yeah. And it's like...
Hi guys, so I am at Kaya's hair clinic with Dr. Ruby and I'm going to ask all my hair related problems and questions and let's see what I can answer. Okay. I'm with Dr. Anjalika from Kaya and I'm gonna ask her everything related to my hair.
My years in dermatological expertise for over a decade, Kaya has always been front runner in delivering customized solutions in flawless experience and women. Going a step further in providing specialty solutions, Kaya has now introduced a comprehensive range of solutions addressing a wide range of hair issues. So it's time for you guys to say hello hair.
So we just got done with the event and we got some cool stuff from Kaya. We can't. Yeah, we have to show you guys what we got. Also, what she told me, basically it was very dark inside and I don't know if you guys were able to hear us. What she told me was that since I'm on a ketogenic diet, she told me that I need to have a lot of oil in my diet. Like we normally think that oil is something which is not good and makes us fat, but no, if you're on a ketogenic diet then you need to have a lot of oils. I'm supposed to have olive oil or salmon fish or something which is very rich in oil for my hair,
or even fish oil capsule.
Fish oil capsule also I need to take. What did she tell you?
So for me, because I have an oily scalp and my hair shaft is very dry, she told me to oil my hair less because I used to oil my hair like 3 times a week. So she told me like reduce your oiling a bit, and if you have an oily scalp then do not use coconut oil, use olive oil or almond oil. She also asked me to take a lot of nuts in my diet like almonds and walnuts and all of that, and then she has recommended some medicine for a month which is called Folica, and yeah, so probably that is going to improve my hair texture, and I'm glad that we did this because it just made us realize that what all we were missing in our diet. So yeah, we're gonna incorporate that and then let's see what happens to our hair.
Okay, so now that this is done, we're still in Mumbai. Let's go shopping! Yay! Bye!
What are we doing?
We're in the backseat of the Rover. So, we want you guys to meet somebody you've never met before.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi. कौन है आप भाई साहब? भाई साहब
पहले ना कैमरा पकड़ना ठीक से सीख लो।
भाई साहब कौन है आप?
ये सही है यार।
ये मोहतरमा हमारे पीछे बैठी और पूछ रही थी आप कौन है।
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं।
जा रही हूँ मैं।
नाम है
रामलाल।
अपना कैमरा तो संभाल लो पहले लड़की।
Okay, so we are going where? We're going to Infinity Malad shop.
And Shaurya wants to buy what?
I don't want to buy.
She's trying very hard not to buy.
She don't wanna.
That bag.
Yeah. You know when we want to buy something, what we do? We're like, तू लेगी, तू लेगी तो मैं लेगी, मैं लेगी तो तू लेगी type. So this is why we have so much of similar stuff. If you guys are wondering, because I cannot gather the courage to buy something when she doesn't buy it.
Same with me. So we're like, Lele, and she's like,
You're very dirty when you talk, Shara. Listen, I'm talking straight. It's your mind that's working in the opposite direction. So it's not me, it's your head.
fine.
Yeah. We'll see you guys.
Bye.